One thing I like to say a lot is that tomorrow is never promised. In this case of technology, however, it is promised that technology will continue to evolve. OpenAI introduced ChatGPT on November 30th, and since then, it has demonstrated its ability to perform a variety of jobs, including writing stock stories, layoff emails, and even messages for dating apps. It is an illustration of generative AI, which is educated on enormous amounts of data and may produce text-based or even visual responses. Like any new fancy toy, the need to replicate and monetize is booming, and many tech companies are scrambling to be the next big thing on the market. So, who stands to gain the most for the next generation in tech, and will this help resurrect an ailing sector? Let's find out in today's episode of Money Talk Sundays. Welcome to Money Talk Sundays. I'm your host, Stevie B. For those tuning in via your favorite streaming platform, hit that like, share, subscribe button. You can also subscribe to the Money Talk Sundays podcast. The link is in the description box below. For those viewing on YouTube, like, share, and subscribe. You can even hit the notification bell to receive the alerts of new videos dropping. Now, ChatGPT. The rumor mill has gone into overdrive, and Microsoft is reportedly investing $10 billion in OpenAI. OpenAI is not even listed on open markets, but public stocks related to artificial intelligence has benefited from this trend. Now, ChatGPT, the lazy man's key to adequacy, is here, and everyone is catching the buzz. Do you got that fever yet? You feel it? Do you feel it? You know, even the site is at capacity most of the time. It has to let you know when you're able to get in. Now, since the phenom burst into the public eye, copycats have been popping up left and right, clamoring for a piece of this AI pie. Now, it goes without saying that some of these imitators will be more successful than others. Others still will try to expand on the capabilities of this AI and make it more all-encompassing. One thing that they all have in common, however, is the parts under the hood that they will need to get this engine running. Now, it is for this reason these 5 stocks are making major moves in the market currently. Stock number 1, Nvidia. Now, the artificial intelligence mania is ingrained in Nvidia, which is best known for designing and manufacturing graphics processing chips. The company's technology is used for numerous AI integrations, from self-driving vehicles to robotics. Jensen Huang, the company's creator and CEO, has become significantly wealthier as a result of Nvidia's stock boom. According to Bloomberg data, his worth has increased by more than $5 billion so far this year. Also optimistic is Wall Street. According to recent estimates from Citigroup analysts, a surge in ChatGPT usage may result in $3 billion to $11 billion in sales for Nvidia over the course of the next year. According to the bank, Nvidia's ChatGPT might be a significant computational demand driver. Nvidia's new chips, according to Wells Fargo and Bank of America analysts, are positioned to benefit from the increased compute demands of ChatGPT and other generative AI tools. Stock number 2 is Ambarella. Another chip manufacturer that caters to the AI sector is Ambarella. It creates semiconductors for use in anything from cell phones to in-car entertainment systems. Also, it specializes in system-on-a-chip semiconductors, which enable artificial intelligence computing by fusing several core processors onto a single logic board. Ambarella chips are utilized in autonomous driving systems, and the company recently collaborated with Continental, a German auto supplier, on an autonomous driving project. Stock number 3, Mobileye. Intel created Mobileye as a spin-off company that specializes in semiconductors and cameras for driver assistance and self-driving vehicles. Among its clients are GM, Ford, and Volkswagen. The company's supervision system is designed to be nearly entirely autonomous, and its chauffeur product is intended to turn a car into a level 4 self-driven vehicle. Now, the corporation announced a positive sales outlook for 2023 after exceeding quarterly expectations. CEO Amnon Shashua, don't know how to say the name, so sue me, bragged about bookings of almost $17 billion that go all the way until 2030. On a conference call with analysts, he stated, "We expect supervision to be a very substantial growth driver in 2023 and beyond." Stock number 4, C3.ai. The popularity of ChatGPT has helped C3.ai, a provider of artificial intelligence software, see a recent increase in stock price. Now, recent announcement that it would incorporate ChatGPT into its product lineup, shares increased by about 61% to date. Now, the most cutting-edge models like ChatGPT and GPT-3, as well as the most recent AI capabilities from organizations like OpenAI, Google, and academia, are all integrated into the C3 generative AI product suite, according to a new statement from C3.ai. And finally, we have AITX. The software from AITX is well recognized for data and analytics, and the company is also committed to advancing automation. The company specializes on integrating artificial intelligence, albeit on a smaller scale, than competitors like Google and Meta. Continuing success with large businesses helped AITX post a strong fourth quarter with annual recurring revenue growth of 31% over the prior year. "We ended the year on a high note and saw an increase in operating profitability," said Mark Anderson, the company's CEO. With improved sales and customer success activities, a broader array of services, including our extremely distinctive end-to-end AITX Analytics Cloud platform, we have a wonderful opportunity as we head into 2023 to continue to generate significant outcomes for our clients. Revenue for the fourth quarter of 2022 was $301.1 million, an increase of 73% compared to revenue of $173.8 million in the fourth quarter of 2021. So, those are the 5 stocks that are making major moves from the advent of ChatGPT. Are you already riding the wave? It's not too late to hop in. Get on while the going is good. I mean, you may see some bumps along the way. You see what happened with Microsoft and Google as they try to rush out their product. Anyway, I'm your host, Stevie B from Money Talk Sundays. I know it's been a while. It has been about 3 weeks. I've been busy studying and some exams to take. But I'm here, still working, still grinding, still pushing. Anyway, happy trading.